Today's episode of Brunch Recipe, we're going to cook Thai breast pork and eggs. Welcome to Nina's Thai Kitchen. Today I have a very special guest from Thailand, Jarani. Hi Jarani, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Jarani is my best friend from high school. I am so honored to have her in my show today. And today she's going to share with us one of her most favorite family's recipe, Moo Palo or Thai breast pork and eggs. Jarani, can you tell us a little bit more about this dish?
I learned this recipe from my mom.
Oh, mom recipe is always the best.
I think so.
The main ingredients for this dish are pork belly, tofu, eggs, and some spices. I prefer fresh spices for this dish. And here they are. If you don't have the fresh spices, the dry spice is fine as well. You can use 1 tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice blend. Step 1. Hard-boiled eggs. I believe that most of people know how to do on this step, but however, I just want to let you know that I boil it for 8 minutes with salt in there. Step 2. Making spice paste. Originally, we use a mortar and pestle, but today I'm going to show you the easier way by using a bullet or a food processor. Slice garlic and cilantro stem or cilantro root to be smaller pieces. Blend peppercorn, garlic, and cilantro stem into a rough paste. Our spicy paste look good. Now it's time to cook. About 1 tablespoon of oil. And then this one is a fresh herb that we just make it. Okay. Wow, smells so good. Okay, we're gonna scoop all of them out. You gonna use this one? I can use this one. Okay. Next, we're gonna put pork in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here, I think. Okay. We want to sear all of the pork. So we're gonna let it sit a little bit each side. Is enough? Mm-hmm. Okay. We're gonna put this back in and all of the spices. We got 3 tablespoons of black soy sauce. We use palm sugar. You can use brown sugar or regular sugar. Now we want 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. One teaspoon of salt. Stir to make sure that all of the sauce get into pork belly. Add 4 cups of water and try to scrape down the spices that stick on the pot there. Those are the good stuff. It's time for eggs. For tofu, you can use any kind of tofu. Today I use the fried tofu and the baked firm tofu. After it's boiled, sometimes you get some of the bubble here. This part, I always scoop it out. I'm going to simmer it for 1 hour at low heat. After the first half an hour, I would give it a stir and make sure that the pork is in the sauce. And go ahead to simmer another half an hour. Here is after 1 hour simmering. It looks so delicious. Use the fork to poke. See that? It's easily poked in there, and the meat too. So it's done. This is good. I like my pork to be tender but still firm. If you like the pork to be tender and melt in your mouth, you may want to simmer it another 15 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to eat. It will be good with steamed rice or steamed noodles. And it's better with garlic vinegar sauce, which I will show you next. Here are simple ingredients. Take the seed of the chili out if you don't want it to be spicy. All you have to do is just mix all the ingredients together, and that should be all. I've been having this dish since I was in high school. Every time I go to her house, she cooked this one, big pot, and it is very, very good. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope that you will like this dish as much as I like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!